Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Coding. Today, we're going to talk about an often overlooked but highly important topic: how to start coding without a laptop. That's right, you don't need a computer to get started with coding. Hey there, I'm your host, and I'm here to show you how you can start coding even if you don't have access to a laptop. This is perfect for those who want to learn coding on the go, or for those who are just starting out and don't want to invest in a laptop right away. Now, let's start by understanding that coding is all about writing code. And code can be written anywhere, as long as you have a text editor. And guess what? You don't even need a computer to do that. There are many mobile applications available for both iOS and Android that can help you start coding on the go. So let's take a look at some of the most popular coding apps available for mobile devices. First, we have the app called Programming Hub. This app has a variety of coding tutorials and challenges that you can complete on your mobile device. It's a great way to practice coding and improve your skills. Another popular app is SoloLearn. This app has a comprehensive curriculum that covers a variety of programming languages, including Python, C++, and Java. You can even compete with other users and earn rewards as you progress. And if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, there's Coda. This app is designed for experienced coders and offers features such as code highlighting and auto-completion. You can even work on your code offline, and then sync your changes when you have an internet connection. So, as you can see, there are plenty of options available to help you get started with coding without a laptop. But what if you want to practice coding on a larger screen? Well, you can still do that without a laptop. Many libraries and community centers now have computers available for public use. You can also use a computer at a friend's place or even at a local internet cafe. And, if you're looking for an even more flexible solution, you can use a cloud-based development environment. Platforms like Replace.it or Code Anywhere allow you to write, run, and debug code from any device with an internet connection. So, there you have it, folks. You don't need a laptop to start coding. With the right tools and resources, you can start coding on the go and take your skills to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next episode of Coding. Bye.